The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States of America has given its approval to two different types of exchange-traded funds that are based on cryptocurrencies. This approval was obtained this year. Prior to Ethereum exchange-traded funds receiving clearance, spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds were the first to receive approval in the most recent months. Regardless of whether it is Solana, Ripple's XRP, or another digital asset, there has been a spike in the amount of speculation in the market around which cryptocurrency would be the next to obtain clearance for an exchange-traded fund. This conjecture has been fueled by the fact that the market has become more volatile. In addition to contributing to the feeding of this conjecture, the approvals that were announced have also contributed. We would like to take this moment to extend a warm welcome to you as you return to the site of your choice for all of the most recent information concerning XRP. Before we go into the fascinating events that have taken place today, we would like to take this chance with you. In the event that you find our content to be enjoyable, I would be grateful if you could demonstrate your solidarity by clicking the like button and giving it a rating. For more information on how to join our fantastic community, please get in touch with Bell. According to market experts and specialists, there is a vast variety of perspectives that can be found regarding this topic. Recently, the Chief Executive Officer of BKC and Brian Kelly made a suggestion that Solana might be a potential contender for the next cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund. During a recent conversation, Kelly made the offer that was made. In addition, Daniel Yan, who is also a co-founder of Matrix Sport, has expressed his support for an exchange-traded fund that would be managed by Solana. This fund would be managed by Solana. This is in addition to the viewpoints of academic institutions. A number of indicators, including those held by Standard Chartered, suggest that exchange-traded funds that are founded on XRP and Solana have the potential to be approved without any problems by the year 2025. To be sure, this is taking place. The heated discussions that have taken place around the possible nominee for the next exchange-traded fund have intensified. This is due to the fact that Ethereum was just recently given the go-ahead to be included in the exchange-traded fund market. Do you think that Solana or XRP will be the next exchange-traded fund to be issued? Which one do you think is more likely? On the one hand, the Solana exchange-traded fund ETF appears to be a strong rival due to the fact that it is one of the most popular coins after Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of popularity. Furthermore, while taking into consideration the growing interest and investment in Ethereum that has occurred in the wake of the launch of the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF, the likelihood of the Solana ETF being approved is increased. This is especially true when one takes into consideration the fact that the Bitcoin ETF was given the green light. As an additional point of interest, researchers believe that the demand for a spot Solana exchange-traded fund has the potential to eclipse the market for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Despite the fact that the XRP community is optimistic that the XRP exchange-traded fund will be approved by the year 2025, the facts that were discussed above are not taken into consideration. The results of a recent study that was conducted on social networks indicate that 66.1% of individuals believe that an exchange-traded fund for XRP will be approved by the year 2025. This information was gleaned from the conclusions of the survey. It is possible, however, that the ongoing legal conflict between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission will result in. The Chief Executive Officer of Ripple believes that this could be a barrier to the establishment of an exchange-traded fund that deals in XRP. Regarding the potential that the Securities and Exchange Commission (CSE) will give its approval to the exchange-traded fund that will be based on XRP, Brad Garlinghouse continues to express his optimism. It is his contention that the only cryptocurrencies that are safeguarded by transparent regulatory systems are XRP and Bitcoin. As of right moment, there is a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund available. Consequently, it is predicted that XRP will be the next candidate for inclusion in the program following the current candidates. As exchange-traded funds, Solana and XRP are among the most significant candidates that are now being considered for official clearance. At this time, there is no information that can be provided regarding which of the ETF applications are being considered. Concerns have been made by JP Morgan regarding the SEC's approval of Solana and other cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds. Despite the fact that there are a growing number of talks going place within the industry regarding exchange-traded funds that are centered on XRP and Solana, JP Morgan has expressed their concerns. JP Morgan is of the opinion that the Securities and Exchange Commission will not grant its approval for exchange-traded funds to be exchanged for any currency other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Jada is the first to issue a purchase signal for Dogecoin, Pepcoin, Paycoin, Piper, and Bunk, highlighting an increase in investor interest as well as open interest in these cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Bunk is a cryptocurrency that has been garnering attention in recent times. Since there is a purchase signal for 4 significant cryptocurrencies that are included in this market category, the meme coin market has been buzzing with excitement. This is because on-chain data suggests that there is a purchase signal for these cryptocurrencies. In accordance with the most recent derivatives data that was made available by Coinglass, Dogecoin, Peppercoin, Paper, Bunk, and Dofit Life have reached to the position of being among the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of open interest. It is notable that this increase in interest reveals a growing tendency among investors for low-cost cryptocurrencies. This is particularly noteworthy in light of the growing excitement around cryptocurrencies. The fact that meme currencies are currently the most popular in the market was brought to light by a derivatives chart that was very recently published by Coinglass on the X platform. According to the chart, which showed that Dogecoin, Pepe, Bunk, and would currently control 4 of the top 10 places by open interest, there was a significant shift in investor mood towards unconventional assets. This was evidenced by the fact that Dogwife had. Clearly, this demonstrates that the demand for these assets is growing at an alarming rate. The meme coin sector, which is infamous for its speculative nature, has had tremendous growth over the past several months, which has further stoked the enthusiasm of investors. During this time, the industry has been seeing significant developments. Further to this, the surge in the price of GameStop Corporation shares has further fueled the buzz that has been drawing parallels between meme coins and meme stocks, respectively. The buzz that is associated with meme coins has been further increased as a result of this. It is a sign of the rising interest that investors have in this coin that Peppercoin Pay, a cryptocurrency with a frog motif, has achieved new highs. Peppercoin Pay is a cryptocurrency. On the other hand, the values of the Solana meme coins have greatly increased as a result of the dramatic surge in popularity that has been witnessed in these currencies. Opportunities to make potentially large profits can be found in the market for meme coins. On the other hand, it is not without its share of intrinsic dangers. The investors who are contemplating entering this volatile industry should approach with caution and make certain that they have completed all of their homework before making any decisions. Despite the recent advances and advantageous breakthroughs that the business is always changing, the meme coin market is still susceptible to major price volatility and speculative behavior. This is the case despite the fact that the industry is continually developing. In order for investors to effectively traverse the uncertain world of meme coins, they need to maintain their knowledge and monitor their surroundings. As a result of this, the price of Dogecoin fell by $3.70, $0.1646 this period. Even if open interest was at a high level, the price of Peppercoin fell by $4.80, 0.15, double $9.09 this occurred, despite the fact that the price of Pepcoin was. While this was going on, the price of Bonk went up by around $12,000, reaching $0.4216, and its trading volume went up by $65,000, reaching $1.12 billion. Alongside the same time period, in response to the information that was provided by Coinglass, the price of WIF experienced a surge of $14,000, hitting $3.72 too. Pepcoin's open interest dropped by $5.40 for reach $773.59 million, while Doge's open interest dropped by $4.50 reach $1.1 billion. Both of these figures are lower than the previous year. On the other hand, the WIF OI climbed by $21.26, reached $511.64 million, while the $1,000 Bonko increased by $16.66, reached $527.18 million. Both of these figures are below the previous year's total. With increased trading volume, it is anticipated that the price of XRP will experience noticeable fluctuations. The picture that is offered by mixed technical indicators that predict the price of XRP is one that ranges from neutral to moderately favorable. XRP's price has fluctuated during the past 24 hours, which is an indication of the market's volatility. An increase of $0.30